Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far because we're back shopping at Costco. We're in San Diego today. We're right off of Friars Road next to IKEA, and we're going to see what we can find in the store today. Now, I am truly fascinated by the gaming computers. They are a bit on the pricier side, but they are so pretty to look at. You can literally see the wheels turning. Now, they can be a bit expensive. So we have 3 on display right here. AI enhanced graphics and performance. Now this one is one of their lower price gaming computers, the desktop. $1,500. Now, the monitors are sold separately. Costco has a great selection when it comes to the monitors. Now, this one from MSI, and you can see it right there on display. I love that they have them up on display. This one costs a little bit more at $1,900, but you can even use these not only for gaming, but for all of your other computer needs. There's just so much space on these. This one, I love the trim. See that edge? Definitely has more of a price of $2,300. Now here is a new arrival for kids. Bluey, Spider-Man. We have Tiana, we have Cinderella, we have the Hulk. These are car seats for kids. This will make traveling so much more fun. Now, of course, you want to make sure that they are properly installed, but how fun are these cup holders? Now, the best part, the price is actually pretty decent. Those are $180, 5-point harness mode for kids, so you can adjust the height as the kids are growing, and we know when kids are toddlers, they grow super fast, but definitely make sure it is properly installed. And then from Dyson, we have a new cordless vacuum cleaner, the Gen 5 Detect Extra. It definitely is extra because this is the most expensive cordless vacuum I have seen here at Costco. I thought the V15 was expensive at over $700. This one has exceeded that price. I hope it runs great because for the price of $890, wow, that's expensive. Now we know Dyson is a pricey brand. Now, for example, the Purifier Hot and Cool, this is a returning item. It's bladeless. Now, the nice thing about it is that you can have it up all year round because you can have hot air or cool air. It purifies, it includes the filters. And for $600, it does go on sale from time to time. And then even the Air Wrap ID. This is the newer version. The previous one, we have seen it on sale. It seems like it's been on sale continuously the last couple of months. So we can see the new attachments. And this is a lovely piece. Like, I would love to own one, but I just cannot justify the price of $650. You would hope you would never have a bad hair day. Or it also includes a stylist to come and do it for you. But you can see like the previous one. Now that sale ended yesterday when it was recorded on the 9th for $450, and I still thought that was a lot of money for that device. Now, speaking of expensive, here is one item. It seems like it would be pricey, but it's really reasonably priced, especially for a massage chair. And we have seen these before. They had them here at the stores, and they sold out so fast. We have seen chairs like this. They can get really expensive, like thousands of dollars, but the Pro Quest 3D here at Costco is only $1,300. That's why they were hot sellers, because that is a really good price for those. And then the Spire Grill. Now, we're starting to see a lot of these summer items get moved out. This is still a regular price, but it is on sale. $100 discount, $390 until the 17th. And here is a returning item for Berkshire. We see a lot of their products here at Costco, but this is the plush blankets. And these are super soft, and they are so reasonably priced here at Costco. So I could only find the queen size at the moment, but I have picked these up before. So I have a California king size bed, but the king size blanket actually does fit. They're machine washable, so easy to clean. Now, these are just slightly a little different because they have this herringbone design in the plush, but they're super soft. And honestly, we use ours all year round. So I love these blankets. We have 4 options. And of course, the best part is the price. So for the queen size, and you can see they're already selling down here at this store, $15. That's why they're so popular. Now, these are on clearance here. I haven't seen these in some time. This is from Camp Chef, and this is the 3-burner grill. As you can see right here, they have a great display. And so that one is $249.97. And then from Delta, if you are looking to replace your bathroom sink, and we do see these from time to time, Costco's always changing them up. I really like how modern it is. So this is a brushed nickel finish, easy to clean. But if you are looking for more options, double check at Costco.com. We have chrome, matte black, and then the champagne bronze. Now here in the store is $100. At Costco.com, it may be a different price. And then from Artica, the mirror is on sale. It's a lovely mirror. It lights up, and for the price of $80 after a $20 discount, it's going to go on until the 31st. And then also the wet dry vacuum from DeWalt, 8 gallons, and this is good to have on hand. $24 discount, $70. That's going to go on to the 31st. Now, here is a new arrival from Scotch, and I'm definitely going to pick this up. I've been hearing about this multi-purpose gel tape. Now, here is the plus. You could use this outside. And let me kind of give you an example, like a vinyl fence, metal, brick, acrylic, tile, painted wood. I mean, there's so many great options. It's supposed to hold really strong. So I'm going to pick this up. It's a pack of 4. And I like the pricing because $16 is a really good price. And then from Coda, we have a new motion activated LED security floodlight. I like that there's 3 lights and you can adjust them as well. Now this is hardwire, it's not solar, so you definitely want to make sure that you have all the proper wiring for it. $27 each. And we have seen these mushrooms now on clearance. They're still gorgeous. $14.97. And then right next to it, the solar firefly lights. I still have these up in our backyard. They're so fun, and they're only $10, and that's going to go on until the 30th. That's a really good sale price. Now, here is a new chair. This is a cooling chair. Now, in the past, we've seen the heating chair, but right now, we definitely need a cooling chair. So it is a little bit a higher price than other chairs, but you can see it looks like you charge it up. So if you are needing to stay cool, we're here in San Diego, it's 90 degrees and the humidity is high, but 90 degrees in San Diego is not common at all. It is super warm. So this would really come in handy right now. For $100, yeah, you need it. Now, this gravity chair, the regular price was $90, and here at the store, they're having their manager special, so it is a 0-0. They're wanting to move these out, and for $50, they definitely will move them out. That's a great price. And then even these goggles, now they only have the junior size left, but it's a set of 3, so manager special for $6. That's a great deal. And then from Tommy Bahama, now these chairs are just awesome. We've seen the other beach chairs. These are a little bit higher. They do include a little pillow. We have the stripes or the floral. There's still a lot of these in the store, but they're now on clearance for $39.97. And even this one from Big Joe, the Kona noodle sling, there's only 2 left. They're on clearance. So these will be gone by the end of the day, but $14.97. Look out for those at your store. And then even from Scott's, the Max Lawn Food. Now we know these were close to like $50 each. manager special of $15. They're wanting to move these out, so look out for these great summer items, especially at a clearance price, like the fiddle leaf. Now, they're saying it's ficus, but it's technically a fiddle leaf plant. But I mean, these are massive, and they're on clearance for $24.97, but they're not pet friendly. I do want to kind of point that out. Now, here is a new food item, and I have been looking for these. I've seen these on social media, and I was just kind of looking for these at our store the last week, but I'm excited to find it today. And this is our new deli item. It's a pretzel sandwich with the sauce. The sauce is kind of like a mustard mayo sauce. So $5.50 a pound. There's 6 of them, and so this one is close to $14. Well, you know what we're going to do. We're going to take this home and try it out. This is actually just perfect because we are hungry, and look at how much chicken there is. They did not skip out on the chicken. Thank you, because I can use all that protein right now. And then we're going to add just a little bit of sauce on the top. And let me try to take a bite. I mean, where do I start? Okay, I just kind of started from the bottom and worked my way up. But it was really good. The chicken sandwich, I like the bun because it's that pretzel bun, but it's really soft. So definitely look out for those if you're looking for an easy lunch or dinner. Now, here is a returning item, the shepherd's pie. It is back. Our fall food is coming back. $4.30 a pound. The average price about $22 to $24. Even the chicken pot pie is back. This is a good one. When you bake it, cover it up with foil till the last 10 minutes. So it's $4 a pound, so the average price about $22 to $24. And we saw the chili is back. We shared that with our new arrivals last Friday. So I'm so excited to see the fall food back. The chili is one of my favorites. Oh, it just really warms my heart. And the pierogi, potato and cheese, this is back as well. This is a pack of 3. These heat up so fast. You can see you have 3 trays. Here's the nutrition facts. We'll try to share that as much as we can. But ready in minutes, and the price, $11.90. Now, here is a new item, Japanese inspired noodles, the teriyaki stir fry udon noodles. So it has a teriyaki sauce, of course, your noodles, and then we have a vegetable topping. $8.70. Well, I think we're going to take this home and try it out. My daughter is obsessed with udon noodles, so we'll see what she thinks. But see, the nice thing about this, there's 4 servings, so 4 packs inside. And it's easy to heat up. So you can heat it up in the microwave, and you can also heat it up on the stovetop if you want to. But you can see the packs. Now, of course, the tray itself is not microwave safe. And you want to put everything together. So you grab a bowl, then we're going to add the noodles, a little bit of water, and then we're going to add the sauce and the vegetables, and then within 3 minutes it's all ready to go. So I did try some, and it was actually pretty good. The sauce was really good. So my daughter is going to finish it up. But yeah, if you're looking for like a little easy meal, definitely give that one a try, because I love teriyaki sauce, and with the noodles, it was perfect. We have another returning item, the Angus cheeseburger sliders. Now, there's 10 in each box. There's 5 packs. Each pack has 20 grams of protein at $17. Now, I have tried these in the past. They were delicious, but we're going to try these again, and just to make sure that they're still as good as we thought they were. So, of course, you have your beef patty, cheese, but caramelized onions on a brioche bun. That's what makes these a little different. Now, they recommend to microwave them in the plastic, but I'm not a fan of microwaving in the plastic. So I'm going to wrap it up with parchment paper, and you make 2 at a time. So let's move this over to the parchment paper. See, they want you to open it up and then place it in like this, but no, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to wrap it up. I'll keep one side open, and then we'll place that in the microwave. And honestly, they cooked just as good. And the taste, they're really delicious. Very simple, easy lunch or meal. But yeah, definitely look out for those. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but they're worth it. Now, from Annie's, the organic quick flaky biscuits. I have been telling my husband I wish they had biscuits, and look, you know what? The dreams do come true. And I know it's a small dream of biscuits, but for $10 now, could I make my own biscuits? Absolutely. But sometimes I just need just a little extra help, and this is where it comes in. These get expensive. These are about $6 to $7 at other stores, so getting 3 of them for $10, worth it. So we preheated our oven, and I'm going to put the other 2 in the back of the fridge. Now take the wrapping off as best as you can, and then open it up carefully because it is under pressure. Do not place them in the freezer, please. So I do have them on my parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and then oven. After 15 minutes they were ready, and I opened it up. It's still a little hot, but I just got so excited. And with biscuits, you can have these sweet, you can have them savory if you want honey on them. If you want to make a little country gravy, you can. Make maybe like a little egg sandwich, you could definitely do that. I added some butter, but see the flaky layers? And I couldn't help myself. It was so good. I mean, look at those layers. So if you're needing extra help in the kitchen, yeah, if you want to buy canned biscuits, definitely pick these up if you see them in your store because they were so good. They're organic. I'm so excited about those. Now, the Bolt House Farms, the Mocha Cappuccino, we've seen these 6 bottles. Now, Best Buy, September 4th, they're on clearance, so maybe that's why they're trying to move them out, because for $2.97, it's a great deal. Now, the croissant pull-aparts. Now, this is from the La Jolla Bakery, and those look really good. Chocolate hazelnut, you can see the hazelnuts on top. We recommend to heat them up, so these do look really good. It's $12 for the package. Now, earlier today, we went over to Coronado. There's a little restaurant called Little Frenchy. It's a French restaurant, and we were so excited. We had brunch there, and one of the items that they are famous for is this hot chocolate experience. Now, I know it is hot outside. Why are we drinking hot chocolate? Because we wanted to. We wanted to experience this, and you could drink the hot chocolate from the croissant, but honestly, our croissant just soaked it up. So we poured a little in our cups. I mean, look how thick and decadent it is. Now, this is not something I would order all the time, but to try it once, it was rich, it was so good, and it was quite an experience. So if you are ever in the area, head over to Coronado. It's beautiful, but Little Frenchy for brunch was just wonderful. I highly recommend it. Now, back to the store. With this weather, the UV rays have been so strong, so the Biore, I've been wearing that, like, even though it's for your face, on my arms and feet, and it has been protecting me. It's on sale for $24 till 16th. It is really good. Now, this is new, NYX, the butter gloss. Now, you're getting 4 tubes, and I like these. These are just really nice, soft, beautiful colors, and you're getting, again, 4 of them, not sticky, but glossy. That is a huge plus. I mean, look how pretty they look. So this is one, I may have to give this a try. I know my daughter's kind of interested in it. So 4 of them for $19. Now, rejuvenating cream. We have seen, of course, the ingredient PDRN in a lot of products lately. Deep hydration, there is a lot of them. You're getting 2 tubes, and this is a $10 savings going on till the 16th for $37. And of course, with a lot of the skincare here at Costco, they're only here for a limited time. Now, here is something really interesting. Smart Sweets. I've been hearing some really good feedback with this brand. Sour candy is not for me, but if it's for you, definitely give this one a try. 3 grams of fiber, not too sweet, and this is a box of 10 bags for only $17.80. We've seen this product before, but this is a little bit different, so definitely check that out. Everyone, thank you so much again for coming along to Costco with me today. Thank you for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.